Warning. The following podcast contains nicotine, fat clouds, coarse language, and other adult shit. It is intended for a mature audience. Listener discretion is advised.
Yeah. Unboxing CBD Source. I'm Col Cheney, your host, and we're about to open this box. I don't know exactly what it is. One Less CBD, it says on the box. It's our box number 6, in case you're wondering. We numbered our boxes so we could do a lotto thing, but we haven't done it yet. All right.
We're
Popping this
investing in
open.
one of those wheels. Spin all the balls in.
We've got one over there.
Oh, do we?
Yeah. We just haven't broken it out yet.
Really do everything.
All right, opening it up. Oh, there's a note specifically to me. It says Col on it. Whoa. 6 jars. See that, gang? 6 jars of something. Very fascinating. I don't know what this is going to be. So we've got a note that says Col. Let's pop it open. Col, we appreciate the opportunity. Please try the product and share with your listeners. Thank you. Let us know when you plan on giving these out. Please reach out with any questions. We welcome the chance to be a guest as well. Matt from One Less CBD in Nashville. All right. Let's break this open and see. Nice design. Clean. Very clean. So this is One Less CBD inflammation cream. One Less CBD inflammation cream. Then we got doubles. That's good because we can give it away. Holy shit, are they all the same thing? They are. They're all inflammation cream. We're going to be able to give this away for a while, gang.
Super smooth out in here.
Wow. So we have 5 bottles of this to give away. That's impressive. Thank you so much, One Less. Let's try this out now. Tom, you gonna try this with me?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna bust one of these suckers out. Here, I would open. Do you want to?
Whatever.
We could open one each, and then we could just give 4 out. Or we could just share this one.
Yeah, let's just share it.
All right, here we go.
That way you can give 5 out.
Exactly. Wow. We're gonna have a huge gift basket by the time 420 comes
To
around.
the lucky people at home.
This is not a brand we sell. This is just a brand that randomly sent in through our unboxing. It smells good. Whoa. Here, smell this.
Ooh.
It smells like it's going to do something for inflammation, that's for sure.
Yeah.
It smells like powerful.
You know, my brain almost tempted me to lick this like the top of a yogurt thing. You know?
It does look a little like yogurt. It's got a sort of a menthol-y smell a little bit. Let me see the directions before we do anything. It says a powerful blend of natural analgesics. A powerful blend of natural analgesics fortified with 400 milligrams of CBD isolate. So it's just straight up CBD. That's the only cannabinoid we're dealing with. When they isolate it, it's just the one. No other CBN, CBG, none of that. No flavonoids, no terps, I don't think. Directions. Apply liberally to affected areas. For external use only. Avoid contact with eyes and open wounds. Keep out of reach of children. Disclaimer. These statements have not been evaluated by the FDA. The product is not intended to treat or cure any ailments. And it's got a COA and it's got a little scannable. What do they call those little scan things?
Barcode? No.
Do you have your phone around you?
Oh, QR scanner.
Yeah. You just all you have to do. This is the great thing about CBD these days. That put these QR scanner codes on there. You just let me hold it. Can you reach over into this camera?
I'll pan in. Oh yeah, I got it. Brought it right up.
Pulled it right up?
Yep.
Cool. And it's an isolate, so it's not like it's going to have that much in their COA, just how much CBD is in there. And everything else should be 0.
Here, I got it. I don't know if you can see that at all.
Certificate of analysis. There it is, COA. What does it say? Can you read it?
Certificate of analysis, COA. To ensure the quality of our product matches our claims, we provide independent third-party testing from a reputable laboratory. The results below validate the potency of our topical creams. Cream contains 100.74% of the claimed 400 mg of CBD.
174%?
I don't know.
What does that mean?
174% of the 400 mg CBD. 0% THC.
Right. 174%.
Yeah, and then they have like an actual thing that shows all the chemicals on it.
Right, so what does it say? Anything good? I'm going to rub this right now. I'm going to rub this.
Delta 9, Delta 8.
Probably 0 on everything, right?
Yeah.
Because if it's... Seriously, an isolate is just... They've isolated one cannabinoid, which is one chemical, one molecule.
Yeah.
And that's all that it's in there. Like, they take it out of industrial hemp. Here, you want to rub some on?
Yeah, sure. I was going to say, we even have the name of the man who approved this form. So you can go to him if you do not believe the legitimacy.
Look it up. Look him up.
Yeah.
Give him a buzz.
His name is Green. He has green in the name.
If your name is Green and you're working in the pot fields, even if you're doing COAs.
You're made for it.
Yeah, exactly. Like, imagine your last name was Weedman.
Weedman. If your name is Chong at this point, it's pretty like it's setting you up.
Yeah, exactly.
I have one of my good friends, actually. His last name is Green. He's like the biggest pothead I know.
Comes with a name.
Yeah. He said it was like a lineage in his family, too.
Huh.
It's like, my great-grandfather came over on the Mayflower and smoked a joint. Oh! It's going to be cream all over the floor.
Did it hit the ground?
Yeah, it's a little linty.
Delint that sucker.
If I lick it off, I can get it
Oh,
all.
don't do that. One Less CBD. I've got it on my arms now, and I'm feeling a tingle of, like, the menthol that's in there. There's got to be some kind of, like, ingredients. Here we are. Ingredient number 1, menthol. Nailed that shit. You know what I'm saying?
Bam.
Ingredient 1. That means that's what this is mostly made out of. Number 2, eucalyptus oil. Number 3, camphor. Number 4, CBD isolate. So 4th ingredient. That's not bad for a CBD product. You want to get it as close to the top as possible because that means there's more CBD in there. White willow extract, lavender oil, which is great because that's a terpene. Linalool is the terp in lavender. Geranium oil and spearmint oil. Spearmint's also a terp. In a proprietary jojoba / hemp seed oil cream base. JOJOBA is jojoba, right?
JOGOBA.
JOJOBA. I think that's jojoba. I think that's how it's pronounced. One Less CBD
Jojoba.
LLC, Nashville, Tennessee. OneLessCBD.com. Very cool, man. It smells good. It smells really mentholy. Like,
Yeah.
if you put this on your face, which when we were doing like the Ignite CBD tasting, some kid walked in off the street and wanted to do a tasting, and there was a roll-on that was a menthol.
Yeah.
And he's like, I want to roll this on my face. And he rolled it on his face, and he started crying instantly.
Yeah, I mean, it smells pretty potent.
Just having my arms this close to my eyes, I almost feel like I'm going to cry. You want your products to be featured on a CBD Source unboxing? Put a whole variety of your products in a nice big box. Make sure to include a couple duplicates of your products within the box so we can give them away as prizes. And mail them to CBD Source Unboxing, 146 Rock Hill Drive, # 960, Rock Hill, New York, 12775.
information in this podcast, live stream, video, audio presentation, or YouTube video, or its related social media pages or interactions
are for informational purposes only.
CBD Source Center and the CBD Source podcast does not offer medical advice. Its host, Col Cheney, is not a medical professional.
His experiences with cannabidiol and other cannabinoids
Are his own and may not affect you the same way. Everybody's endocannabinoid system is different. Statements made regarding CBD and THC products have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. The efficacy of these products and the testimonials made have not been confirmed by FDA-approved research. These products are not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. All information presented here is not meant as a substitute for, or alternative to, information from healthcare practitioners. Please consult your healthcare professional about potential interactions or other possible complications before using any product. The Federal Food, Drug, and Cosmetic Act requires this notice.
You know, my brain almost tempted me to lick this like the top of a yogurt thing.